Hi.
Hello, can you see me? Or
I can hear you, Fong, and I can see your beautiful garden. And this is so exciting. Thank you for giving us a garden tour today.
oh, I can't see you. Oh,
You
I can
can't see
see
me?
you.
Hi. I can
Yes,
see you
we are
too.
going to give you a garden tour.
Thank you
Hi.
so much.
Let me show you my mama.
Hi.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
Oh,
So
and
this is my mom, Hua.
nice to
So
meet
she's
you.
going to show us her garden today. I'm going to just do a really quick tour before we talk about what she has in her garden.
Thank you so much. I'm
So
so excited.
yeah, for those who are joining us, we are doing our Tuesday tour of my garden. So these are all her vegetables. She's about to cut some for families. And then
Oh,
she
what
has more
vegetables?
over here. Oh, we can go around and we can talk about them, but we just want to show. Sorry that our neighbor's dog is just barking, but this is
Oh, no
everything
problem.
that she has.
Wow.
Yeah, and then it
You
goes
have
all the way over here too.
this looks incredible.
Okay. Yeah. So this is okay, mẹ nói mẹ đang trồng gì?
Mẹ đang trồng nó đang trồng rau, cải, tương ô, salad, rau hành, ngò. Tại vì tao bị bệnh tím á, phải trồng cái rau này. Ăn là thiên nhiên, đi vô đã cơ.
So she said that she grows lettuce, she grows green onions, she grows garlic chives, she grows chrysanthemums. That's a hard word, but it's like a flower. This is what it is right here. We can show you. That's what it is. And then she grows just like different type of lettuce. We just don't know the name for them, but these are the different type of lettuce. Yeah.
That makes it really
Oh,
tasty.
and then these ones are really interesting. She grows wait, there was another one. She grows lizard's tail. I don't know.
Ooh,
Have you ever heard lizard's tail? Let's see where. Mẹ rau cặp cá đâu mẹ? Oh, it's all the way over here. Our neighbor's dog is a little excited that we're out here.
oh.
Oh, so these ones are lizard's tail.
Oh, I could see why that.
Yeah, so it has a really like very distinct smell to it. But we like to eat this with like Vietnamese stew.
Ooh, yummy.
Like we eat it with like crab soup stew. We eat it with cái này ăn với bún bò Huế được không? With bún bò Huế, it's another native like soup like pho, but in our home city in Vietnam, Huế.
What does lizard tail taste like?
Huh?
What does lizard tail taste
I can't hear you. What did you say?
like? So the plant you're just showing us, lizard taste like.
Wait, I'm sorry. Say that again.
What does lizard's tail taste like?
Oh, what does it taste like?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it tastes like it's a very weird smell. It has like a lot of people that are not used to it. It smells kind of fishy. It's like really weird. It sounds weird when you say fishy, but it doesn't have like a minty smell. It's a very distinct smell to it. And it tastes kind of just like lettuce, but the smell I think takes over. It has a little tiny like tart to it, a little bit sour.
Nice.
But yeah, and these are just lettuce as well.
Wow. I just buy a variety of garden.
Yeah,
Incredible.
yeah. So she's just cutting some for my siblings. She usually do that. And they just come and pick it up.
Enough for yourselves and then enough for family. That's really great.
Yeah.
Cool.
Mẹ
And
giải thích tại sao mẹ làm mấy cái này mẹ?
Tại vì nặng nhiều á, phải che cho khỏi sâu á, khỏi sâu.
So I asked my mom why she did this. So she did all of these herself. She just finds wood and she kind of just tie them with like wires. And she does them because for if there's high wind or rain or hail, it protects her garden. But she did this all herself.
that's incredible. Wow. That's probably been super helpful the past couple of days with all of the high winds and a little bit of
Yeah.
So is this lettuce too that she's working on right now?
Yeah,
Or
so
is this
this is also lettuce, but it's a different type of lettuce. I just don't know what these are called, but they're a little bit different. You can see some bugs kind of ate them, so it has a little holes, but it's okay.
so
We're okay
nice.
sharing them. Yeah, so
Awesome.
that's a different type of lettuce too.
What do you do for bugs? Like
Có cái rau thơm bên này nữa.
What?
What's a good gardener's tip for dealing with bugs?
What do we do for bugs?
Yeah.
Nó hỏi là nếu như mấy cái con kia ăn á, là mẹ làm gì để cho khỏi ăn, cho mẹ không có làm gì hết.
Không có làm gì, không có con gì ăn hết.
Mẹ giống mấy cái con này nó ăn như vậy á, là mẹ làm gì?
Là không có làm gì hết á, không có ăn non thôi, còn già là không có.
Mà mẹ để cho nó ăn hả?
Để cho nó ăn là già mình có ăn nữa.
Oh, so my mom said that for bugs, since she doesn't want to use any like chemicals in her vegetables, she just let them eat them. But once the vegetable gets kind of older, then she just kind of give it to them. So she cuts like the ones that are just like about to grow that like you could eat and she'll eat, but the ones that are eaten like from the bugs, and she just kind of leave them for the bugs to eat.
That's smart. So it's like kind of a numbers game in that sense.
Mm-hmm.
Like you grow and you don't have to use chemicals, so your food is healthier too. And the bugs get something. That's great.
Yeah. She's cutting some garlic chives. So this one, I was trying to research this one. I'm not sure what this is called, but we like to eat this with like hot pot. And my mom likes to eat this with, she makes like different kind of like in Vietnamese it's called gan. It's kind of like a stew. So she can put like she put a zucchini. It's like a zucchini soup, and she kind of throws them in. Or you can eat it as a salad too.
Oh, nice. That's pretty cool.
Cái này nấu canh ăn cũng được, mà ăn sống cũng được.
Yeah, she said that she cooks them like or she eats them like a salad.
Love it. What's both of your favorites, like your favorite plants in the garden? Do you have a favorite?
Amanda nói là mẹ thích trồng cái gì nhiều nhất ở trong này. Cả hết cái này mẹ thích trồng cái gì?
Cái gì cũng thích hết á, cái gì ăn cũng được.
Mà cái gì mẹ thích nhất?
Salad, kẹo bè xanh, tầng ô, hành ngò.
She's got a listing everything. Yeah, so she likes she says she likes everything. She likes to grow everything here, and she likes to eat everything. But her favorite is these like lettuce right here, because she says she could eat that with just like a salad. And then she likes garlic chives right here. Yeah. These ones her garlic chives. Yeah, so these ones are really good. Like she likes to make spring. Oh, can I Yeah. So she says she used this to eat spring rolls. So this is very common in Vietnam to use for spring rolls. So you use about 2 and you roll it with any either meat or just vegetables. My mom has been just eating spring rolls by itself with no meat, and she just used all her vegetables and she just roll it with some rice noodles, and that's it.
That sounds delicious. Oh my gosh.
Mhm.
This is amazing. It looks like you'll have lots and lots of
Mẹ
delicious
nó không biết
and
mình
for
xem.
spring rolls to come just based on how much is growing in your garden.
Yeah. There's
Incredible.
some more over in the other side too. So she used to grow like squash and stuff, but she didn't realize how nice the weather is this year, so she didn't grow them.
Okay.
Oh, and then here's mint, everybody's favorite.
Ooh, yeah.
So yeah.
Do you ever make mint tea with the mint?
Yes, I love mint tea. Mẹ dùng cái này mẹ dùng ăn.
Ăn sống.
My mom likes to eat this alone in her salad because she likes that minty smell. But I don't like to eat it. I like the smell of it more than the taste.
Gotcha.
Đây là hành á, hành á.
Oh, she said green onions is all here.
Mm-hmm.
Nhiều loại lắm.
So it looks like Kayla just asked, what's your favorite mint
Còn
recipe?
đây là ngó, ngó
So-
lên.
Would that be the salad and the tea, or is there another favorite?
Yeah, that would be my mom's favorite. My mom's favorite would be like either mẹ thích cái đó là mẹ thích ăn salad nhất nhiều nhất hả?
Mhm.
Yeah, she says she likes it eat with eating it in her salad, but I like it more in my tea, like a refresh.
Salad bên trong là nó mềm.
Yeah.
Nó.
And these are cilantros.
Ooh, yum.
Ngò lên bông.
She said it's growing flowers.
Oh, cool. Does that
She
mean
has
it's
some.
about to be ready?
Dụng nếu như nó lên bông là nó tại sao nó xong rồi?
Nó lên bông là nó già rồi.
Yeah, she said it's ready and it's like outgrowing. It's like old, not old, but it's older than like these ones. So like these ones are growing.
Là mình để giống á.
Oh, so she said that when when the flowers come, she harvest them and then use it for next year.
Oh, cool. How do you do that?
Ra cái hộp á.
Oh, so she said so the flowers will grow like seeds. So she'll use the seeds for next year. So that's how she grows them again next year. So instead of buying more seeds, she just waits until this one has seeds and she harvests that one and then she'll wait for next year.
I love that. That's so sustainable. Oh, fun. Very cool.
Yeah.
And hi to everybody joining. We are doing the Tuesday tour and we are checking out this beautiful garden and learning a lot about plants. That's pretty amazing. Yes. I'm just like blown away by the amount of greenery in your backyard and all of the things you can do with it. Like this is incredible. Mm-hmm. That you have enough for both and to share.
Yeah. I'm gonna ask my mom why she likes to grow why she likes to grow all these vegetables. Mẹ tại sao mẹ thích mẹ thích trồng mấy cái rau này?
Ở quê hương là trồng rau nhiều.
Rồi xong mẹ trồng bây giờ thì mẹ thích vì tại sao?
Vì mình ở nhà không có làm gì trồng thì cho vui mà ăn cũng tốt hơn. Ăn cũng tốt hơn ra chợ mua nữa.
She said that when she was younger, it reminds her of growing when she was in Vietnam in her small village. So she loves growing because it reminds her of home, and she grows because she doesn't have anything to do, and this is fun for her and therapeutic. And she said it's better to eat homegrown vegetables than going out to the store to buy them because this is all organic.
I love that. Absolutely.
Yeah. She wants to show her hat. So this hat reminds her of Vietnam because this is a hat from Vietnam, and she always wears this when she's in Vietnam. She reminds her of harvesting seasons, and she always go and wear these hats. So this is in Vietnamese it's called a nong lá. So it's just so we can show more of the garden if some.
Sure, thank you. It looks like we have a question. How large is your backyard?
Oh, mẹ, sau hè của mình trồng bao nhiêu mẹ biết không? My mom and I don't know. I don't know if this is. We don't.
That's big.
But it's big enough for her to grow all her vegetables.
Well, that's big.
Sorry, the dog is. Our neighbor's dog is saying hello.
I want to be in the video too. Oh, that's great. Wow, this is incredible. And so well, your mom, she started gardening in her small village in Vietnam. So has she been gardening her whole life, or did it start at a certain age?
Yeah. Nè, Amanda muốn hỏi á là giống mẹ trồng hồi xưa, mẹ qua Mỹ mẹ trồng mà hồi Việt Nam mẹ trồng là lớn thêm mà mẹ biết trồng đồ cho nhỏ là mẹ học trồng rồi.
Việt Nam là đã nhỏ là đã biết trồng rồi.
She said that she learned it when she was a child. When she was young, she learned how to grow since she was younger, like when she was really young.
Thank you. Does she have any tips for amateur gardeners?
Amanda hỏi là mẹ có giống ai mà muốn học trồng á là mẹ muốn dạy sao?
Có học giống là sới đất lên là trồng thôi, dễ lắm.
Mà không có cần phân đồ gì.
Không có phân, chỉ mua tập soi thôi, không có vài phân.
So she said it's really simple. For her she just recommends just buying seeds to start off, and I don't know the word for it, but she said you don't need like good compost. You need like cái kia là không phải phân hả?
Cái kia là tập soi họ làm bằng cây.
Oh yeah, compost. Like compost, you know? Like if you go to like Home Depot, there's like compost, and you just buy that, and you just have to have good soil, I guess.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then is there a recipe like hands down that just you're so happy you can't live without that you get directly from your garden, from the ingredients from your garden?
Okay, Amanda nói là giống mấy cái mẹ trồng á, là có cái gì mà mẹ làm đồ ăn á mà mẹ nói là cái này nó ngon nhất là mẹ nhớ giống mùa đông á là không có cái này là mẹ nhớ không? Là mẹ
chứ.
Giờ mẹ ăn cái gì thêm mà mẹ nhớ là mấy cái rau.
Là đi mua ngoài chợ ăn thôi.
No, mà mẹ làm cái gì, nấu đồ ăn gì mà mẹ dùng mấy cái salad ở trong này á, là mấy cái rau á.
Cái rau là ăn sống rồi nấu canh lên hoặc xào cũng được.
So she says she miss, like if she doesn't have these vegetables, what she miss would be in the winter. She said she would miss her salads, just being able to go to her garden to get like all of these vegetables. She likes to make spring rolls, and then also canh, which is like a soup that she just throws all these vegetables in, and she said that those are the dishes that she miss. Yeah, and she says spring rolls. She loves her vegetable spring rolls.
They sound amazing. Thank you so much. Is there anything else you want to show us in your garden or share with us today for the Tuesday tour?
Amanda nói mẹ có muốn nói gì nữa không, với mẹ có muốn cho mọi người coi gì nữa không? Yeah, she said no. She's like, this is everything she has.
Love it.
Yeah.
Well, this is absolutely incredible. It was amazing to talk with you both and to see your garden. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you everyone who is joining us for our Tuesday garden tour with my mom.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was so nice to meet you.
Yeah. Bye. Have a good night, Amanda. See everyone later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.